You pop it, and snot comes out.
Worth the pop! It's just like crushing grape. Go!
Okay guys, who wants to go swimming?
I want to go swimming! Wait, I call the boat! No, I want that boat! No, I'm older, I'm younger, so I'm stronger, but I'm smaller! Exactly! That's where I should get it! But smaller people need it! Fine! I guess this calls for a challenge. That's totally not fair! This boat's mine!
I'm stronger. I'll just take it from you. Want to do the challenge or not? Fine. What's the challenge about? Last to leave the bathtub.
Again?
What? Oh, that is so hard. What's in the bathtub? Just water?
Slime!
You kidding me? Nope.
What kind of slime?
Pop Pop Snot slime. Ooh, that's hard. Let's get started. Any slime going down the drain? We are ready to rumble.
Bro, I'm waiting for you!
Here. What are we doing? We are going to be in the bathtub with that full bucket of Pop Pop Snots.
Oh,
Whoever wins the most challenges with a Pop Pop Snots gets the boat. That's gonna be me. Wait. What's a Pop Pop Snot? Is this. You pop it, and snot comes out of it. And sometimes, if you're lucky, like I am, you find characters. We're gonna have a pop-off. First challenge is who can pop the most pop-pops in 30 seconds. Are you ready to pop these snots? You're gonna go down to the ground.
no, you are.
Okay, we only have 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. How many did you get though?
1, 2, 3, 11, 12, 13. I got 14!
I think he's so won me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Oh yeah, I won! Wow, I told you I won!
No, I can't give up hope. Not on the first challenge. But I guess it's time for the second challenge.
Bring it on!
Whoa, guys, look at this. Look how fluorescent this snot is. How about we do it with our feet now? These toes are popping machines. Most popped in 1 minute. Ready, set, go!
Worth the pop! It's just like crushing grape. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look how slimy my feet are.
Let's get counting.
Yep. 1, 2, 3,
1, 2,
39,
27,
40. I'm 40, guys!
29, 41, 42, 43,
103! Woo! I cleaned him like. That's 2 challenges for me.
I have to win the next 2 to win. This is it, Wyatt. I'm gonna win you at this challenge. I know I will.
Whatever, I won at least 2.
Who can find the most creatures or Pop Pop Snot pets in 1 minute? Let's start. 3, 2, 1, action! I found 1.
I found none.
I found 2. I found 3. Come on, I'm losing time. I found 4.
Ah!
Found 1. I found 2. I found 3.
20 seconds left.
I found 4. I found 4. I found 5.
Shae, your turn.
I found 6! I found 6!
Doesn't count.
I found 6!
Shae got 6 before the buzzer.
Wait, let me count mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom! Wyatt! You just got Pop Pop Snot!
Ready?
Pow! I just won!
Woo!
8! You got 8? When?
2, 3, 4.
Oh yeah, I won that challenge, guys. Comment down below who you thought won.
Me.
No,
Comment down, Wyatt. Fine. You won this one.
Thanks for the exception of losing. Time for the next challenge. The next challenge is, this is challenge 4. And this challenge is, you can't touch the ball pit balls, but you can't put your feet in the tub. The most Pop Pop Snots in 30 seconds. Who wants to go first, Wyatt?
Me.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! 2, 1, stop! Man, you got a lot. Hopefully all of these were not pop, though. Let's count them up.
Wyatt got 92.
92, baby.
Oh, I'm winning! That's gonna be hard to beat, but I can beat it. Ready, set, go!
Two. Stop.
This is my ticket to glory.
Shae, you won with 132 Pop Pop Snots.
Boom, I beat you big time. We are tied up, brother. I won 2 challenges. You won 2 challenges.
That's right. Remember, I won first, bro.
Those were hard challenges. But then I came back up with the 2 in a row. Whammy! Smackdown face. What? Now it's time for the last challenge. Last to full on leave. The Pop Pop Snot tub full of Pop Pop Snots. Time to get comfortable, brother, because we're going to be in here for so long.
Okay. So,
Now that we're covered, let's see who can last the longest.
I can stay in here all day.
Can't pop this one.
Pop any. Ooh.
Pop Pop Snot. What was that? So hungry. Why? I think I need to get out. Oh, maybe not. I'll lose that boat.
Go ahead, buddy. Go ahead. I'd be here all day. You go ahead and lose that boat.
No, I can't.
I'm just gonna find all cool characters. Oh, home. Oh, yes, home. I believe in you. Oh, yes, home. Oh.
Shae, soccer practice.
Oh my gosh!
Are you gonna get out?
I need to.
You left the dog! I'm the winner!
Yeah! You got all See you later, sucker! I'm going to soccer! I'm gonna win all those soccer things, and you have to stay here for like, I don't know, as long as you want! Enjoy your bathtub of slime! I'm out of here.
I got slime and my boat. I won. Pop, pop, pop. I won. Yeah, I won. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell. Because next week, we're going to fill this bathtub of snotty snot slime. Instead of not just these thingies. These thingies. This is going to be the grossest video ever. Oh yeah, Shaka's out.